I bought and tested these sewing machines so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how overwhelming it can be to pick the right one, especially with so many options out there. I've put my time in, sewing everything from simple repairs to intricate quilts, and I'm here to share my honest reviews on the top 5 sewing machines that really stand out from the crowd. Let's dive in. Product number 1, Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is a lightweight, full-featured sewing machine that I found to be perfect for beginners and seasoned sewists alike. When I first got my hands on it, I was immediately impressed by its compact size, measuring just 5.9 x 12.1 x 15.3 inches and weighing only 12.6 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to store or transport, which is a huge plus for anyone who likes to take their sewing projects on the go. The experience of using this machine was quite smooth. I started with some basic stitching, and the 27 built-in stitches, ranging from decorative to stretch and even an auto-size buttonhole, made it easy to experiment. The automatic needle threader was a game changer for me. Threading the needle can be a hassle, but with this feature it felt effortless. The drop-in top bobbin is another thoughtful design element that prevents jams, allowing me to focus on creativity rather than troubleshooting. As I moved on to more complex projects, the versatile free arm proved invaluable for sewing cuffs and collars. I was thrilled to find that even as a beginner, I could tackle a variety of everyday sewing projects without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, the included accessories, like the 6 sewing feet, needle set, and bobbins, made it easy to get started right away. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users might find the selection of stitches somewhat limiting if they're looking for something ultra-advanced. Additionally, while the machine is lightweight, it may feel a bit less stable when working on larger fabric pieces. So why should you buy the Brother XM2701? If you're just starting your sewing journey or want a reliable machine for simple projects, this is an excellent choice. The support from Brother is also a big plus. They offer free technical support for life. Overall, this machine delivers on quality and ease of use, making it a great entry point into the world of sewing. Product number 2, Brother CS5055 Computerized Sewing Machine. Next up, we have the Brother CS5055, a computerized sewing machine that really packs a punch. Priced at $159.99, it features a whopping 60 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom stitch functions. My first project was a simple pillow cover, and the automatic needle threader saved me a ton of time. I was able to get right into the groove without fumbling with the thread. The jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin made loading the thread effortless, and I was immediately impressed with how smoothly the machine ran. One standout feature is the metal frame and fixed needle bar. This sturdy construction allows the machine to handle various fabrics with ease, from lightweight cotton to heavier materials. I even attempted a small quilt, which I was initially nervous about, but the larger needle-to-arm workspace really made a difference. It provided ample room to maneuver the fabric, which was a huge relief. Additionally, the weight of the machine at 10.5 pounds means it's still portable but not as light as some other models. So why buy the Brother CS5055? If you're looking for a reliable, versatile machine that's beginner-friendly but has enough features to grow with your skills, this is a solid choice. The durability, wide range of stitches, and support from Brother make it well worth the investment. Product number 3, Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine XR9550. The Brother XR9550 is a powerhouse in the sewing machine world, especially for those who are keen on quilting. With 165 unique built-in stitches, including 110 utility and decorative stitches, it opens up a realm of possibilities for creativity. The intuitive LCD screen allows you to choose your stitches and settings with just a push of a button. I started with a simple quilt project, and the 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes came in handy when I decided to add a few decorative touches. The automatic needle threader was again a time saver, and the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensured that I could focus on my sewing without interruptions. The included wide table was a game changer for quilting, providing the extra space needed to maneuver large pieces of fabric. Alongside the 8 sewing and quilting feet, I felt equipped for any challenge. The protective hard cover was also a nice touch, safeguarding my investment from dust and scratches. However, this machine isn't without its quirks. Its size may be a drawback for those with limited space. And while the selection of stitches is extensive, some advanced users may still find it lacking. So why should you consider the Brother XR9550? If you're serious about sewing and quilting, this machine is well worth the price. The wide range of stitches, extra workspace, and support from Brother make it an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced sewists looking to take their projects to the next level. Product number 4, Brother GX37 Sewing Machine. The Brother GX37 is another fantastic option that balances functionality and portability. Priced at $139.99, this machine boasts 37 built-in stitches, which include utility and decorative options, along with an auto-size buttonhole. My first experience with it was surprisingly smooth. I found the automatic needle threader to be just as effective as in the previous models, and the drop-in top bobbin was simple to load. I started with a straightforward sewing project, and the free arm design made it easy to work on sleeves and cuffs without fighting with the fabric. The included 6 sewing feet were also a nice bonus, giving me the flexibility to try various projects right out of the box. One thing I appreciated was the machine's lightweight nature at just 10.14 pounds, making it easy to store or transport. However, for more complex projects, I did find that the machine could struggle a little with thicker fabrics, which might be a drawback for some users. So why should you buy the Brother GX37? If you're a beginner or someone looking for a reliable, no-frills machine that can handle everyday sewing tasks, this is a great choice. Its ease of use, combined with Brother's excellent customer support, makes it a solid investment for anyone looking to dive into the world of sewing. Product number 5, Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Finally, we have the Brother CS7000X, which is truly a gem for anyone serious about sewing and quilting. Priced at $229.99, this machine features an impressive 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. The sturdy metal frame and fixed needle bar allow you to tackle a variety of projects confidently. My experience using the CS7000X was nothing short of excellent. The automatic needle threader worked flawlessly, and the drop-in top bobbin made loading a breeze. I decided to create a larger quilt for a friend, and the large needle-to-arm workspace was incredibly helpful. I could easily move the fabric around without feeling cramped, which made the sewing process much more enjoyable. The included wide table was another highlight for me. It gave me the extra space I needed for my quilt and made it easier to manage the bulk of the fabric. The 10 included sewing feet and the quilt guide were fantastic additions that made my projects more versatile. However, while it is a fantastic machine for quilting, its price point may be a bit steep for those just starting out. So why buy the Brother CS7000X? If you're looking for a high-quality sewing machine that can grow with you as your skills develop, this is an excellent investment. Its wide array of features, sturdy build, and customer support from Brother make it a top contender in the sewing machine market. After diving deep into these 5 sewing machines, it's clear that Brother has a fantastic lineup that caters to various skill levels and project needs. Whether you're a beginner looking for something simple or an advanced sewist in need of a powerful tool, there's a Brother machine for you. My personal favorites are the XR9550 for quilting enthusiasts and the CS5055 for its versatility. Whatever your choice, investing in a quality sewing machine will pay off in the long run. A happy sewing!